try to make myself alive. I see your eyes, they good in mine. Happens all the time. And then you tell me I can't get you out my mind. Now you're mine. Come and get it started, getting cozy in the room.
Pero saan napipili mo ba?
To make myself alive.
So, minimagine ko na pumasok ka sa room as soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive. Pinakita mo yung sarili mo. I see all of your eyes. They glued in mine.
It's very me.
They glued in my.
Pero okay ako dun sa ano, sa idea no. I mean sa lyrics na ano. Tapos ito for mga.
Can you Can you read the room? Can you read the room? Nasa iyo na lang.
Pero kung gusto mo i-chorus, pwede ko habaan yung pre-chorus. Para magiging hatid dyan.
Tapos siguro transition dito.